Do you feel any tightness in here in between your shoulder blades?
Not in my shoulder blades, just here.
Mainly your neck.
Yeah,
Okay.
just my neck and shoulders.
Okay, I'm gonna just do here. So mainly I think what's going on today is your traps are really tight. So your traps insert here, right? They come down, insert here, and then come like this, like a diamond pattern. And so just because you don't feel a lot of tightness in here, it's from that same muscle. So that's why we got a good release in there today. Good. There we go. Good.